In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a stutter in DaVinci Resolve. First, use optimized media. Right-click clips, then generate optimized media, then enable playback. Use optimized media if available. Next, increase audio buffer size. Go to Preferences, Video and Audio. Then, set buffer size to 512 or 1024 samples, and then restart Resolve. You can also disable effects temporarily. Use playback, bypass color grades, and fusion effects. Also, you can enable render cache, playback, then render cache, then smart, right-click clip, then render cache color output. Next, convert to VFR to CFR. Use handbrake to convert screen or phone recordings to constant frame rate. And also match audio sample rate. Go to settings, Fairlight, and set sample to 48,000 Hz. And lastly, if none of these resolves the issue, restart, resolve, or reboot your PC. Helps clear temporary glitches. And that's it. That's how you fix audio stutter in DaVinci Resolve.